Google Pay works with PayPal, but it might not be the way you might thinking. For sure, Google Pay lets you link your PayPal account to your Google Wallet account to use for your different transactions. But sending money from Google Pay to PayPal, that's another story. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually use your Google Pay wallet with your PayPal account, and the only circumstances that you might be able to transfer money between these two applications. So let's get started. So as earlier said, PayPal actually works with Google Pay, but not in the way of sending money from your Google Pay to your PayPal account. Here we have two possible scenarios where you can actually use your PayPal with Google Pay. The first is when making in-store purchases anywhere that accepts Google Pay and the Master contactless payment. The second scenario is when checking out online at a Google store or other Google properties. So these are the two possible use cases where you can use your PayPal account with your Google Pay wallet. Okay, and if you look into these two scenarios, you actually be seeing now that the Google Pay will be pulling funds from your PayPal account balance as a funding source for these transactions. So the essence here is to have PayPal linked to your Google Pay wallet to use as a payment method or as a funding source for your transactions through Google Pay. As for the only method where you can transfer your Google Pay balance to your PayPal account, you definitely need to be a US resident or a German resident, but this mainly works for US residents. In this case, you have to transfer funds, you have to add your PayPal account to your Google Pay wallet as a payment method and use the transfer out feature that lets you move funds from your Google Pay balance to your external account, which can be a bank account or a PayPal account. If you can't find PayPal in this setting, in this option, or if you can't find or you can't link your PayPal account through this option, then you have to transfer the funds first to a linked bank account before now moving these funds from your bank account to your PayPal account. Okay, so in all the cases, this is definitely going to work out for you. So if you can't find PayPal, here are the steps you need to take. You need to open your Google Pay wallet, you link your external bank account or your bank account in essence, and then you transfer funds from this Google Pay wallet to your bank account. And from your bank account now, you can send the funds to your PayPal account or add them to your PayPal balance. This whole process can take anything from 3 to 5 business days, so you just need to be patient with this process, and hopefully you should be able to transfer money from your Google Pay wallet to your PayPal account balance. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.